Ma'am, a few words for us, please.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, all of you. I joined the school in 1971. I would say it has been a really learning experience, a pleasurable and enjoyable journey. And thank you, students, for inviting all of us here today, because it makes me nostalgic and relive every moment of my school experience that I enjoyed here. Thank you, all of you, and wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Thank you.
A very proficient history teacher with a great command over the English language. Now you won't make a mistake. Please come over, man. Meher.
What's the thing? Thank you, ma'am. It's on?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. I was never meant to be a teacher at all. I just came to this school to admit my children. And just through the window, Mrs. YGP saw me. She said she knew me from before. Related. She's actually my attai. My attai, actually. She said, "Inge enna pandra?" I said, "I came to admit my children." She said, "But what are you doing?" You know, only then I understood you're supposed to be doing something other than just being. You have to do something, you know. She said, "Enna padichirukka?" I said, B.Ed padichirken. Podu pole B.Ed panna chumma. Vandu seru naalaki. And the first day, Mrs. Srinivasan and Ms. Pushpa was sitting in the last row, and I was supposed to take konja grammar weak, better brush up, come and join. That's how it started. And I understood only then how the school was working, what is notes of lesson, and I got a very good for my blueprint. You all should know that every question paper is thought out and prepared. Mrs. YGP writes good or bad or so. When I got a very good from her, I was just so thrilled. And that taught me how I should convey that to the students. And of course, kids never took me seriously. History teacher, after games, always after games, Mr. Williams will send them back after the games in the sun. They'll come sweating away. I have to give them 10 minutes to cool off. Otherwise, they'll never, we'll study on our own, miss. You just do some quiz. That's how my history classes would go. I enjoyed my school here, thanks to Ms. YGP and my lovely children, students.
Thank you, ma'am. We did take you seriously, I'm sure. We did take you seriously. And, you know, it's not just the subject which we learn from you. You know, the character, how to approach people, and all those things we certainly did learn from you. So thank you very much, ma'am.
She was the odd one out, but the best in her line of teaching. She doesn't want to look at me now. Ms. Sushila Anas, please come forward. Over to you, ma'am.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I also joined the school in 1971. I was very young. In fact, I was scared to join the school because it was a boys' school, if I'm right. That time there were no girls. But Mrs. YGP told me, no, you can do it. You are joining the school, you are going to teach. That is how I got into the school. And I would like to thank Mrs. Sushila Raghavan and Mrs. Hema Srinivasan, who was really motivated and inspired us in many ways. I have learned so many things from them. What I am today is only because of all these people. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Shall I talk? Mercy will play. No, I'm not going to talk in French hereafter because she could not to talk. I was taking 4th and 5th standard maths and science. Some of the students used to be outstanding. This outstanding is within the brackets. The same students, when I met them today, they are really outstanding in their career and their life. I'm very, very happy to see them like this. At that time, I was worried when they were outstanding. That means standing out. But now they are really outstanding in their life and career. I'm really, really happy about it. I wish them a good future. Wish you happy New Year and happy Christmas also. One
Sure, a very strict one at that. She reached the pinnacle of her career in this school itself. Nobody else reached, ma'am. Please come. Ms. Varli Arunachalam. Sudarshan, please do the honors.
Thank you for asking me to speak. You little boys have grown in life and stature, and you brought us all under one roof today. Congratulations that way, and thank you. Thanks a lot for remembering all of us. Gratitude is the best word in the world, I would say, and you have been a true example of that. And I would like to thank all my colleagues who have been here, and Mrs. YGP for always giving me an opportunity in school. Thank you.
எல்லாம் தமிழில் பேச சொல்கிறா. என் மாணவர்களுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி, இந்த சந்தர்ப்பம் கொடுத்ததற்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஆனால் நான் இது ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு வரல. யூஸ்வலாக நாங்கள் கிளாஸுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு போகும்போது நோட்ஸ் ஆஃப் லெசன் எழுதணும், ஹெட் ஆஃப் த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்து சைன் பண்ணி எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். பட் எனிவே தமிழை கொடுத்து பேச சொன்னதுனால எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக போயிடுது. தேங்க்யூ.
She's found out. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here, Mrs. Usha Subramaniam. Ganesh will hand over the memento to her.
வள்ளுவரின் குரலுக்கு எடுத்துக்காட்டாக நிற்கின்ற மாணவர்களுக்கு எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த நன்றிகள். நன்றி, வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
அந்த பென்சில் அண்ட் ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் இது.
The first headmistress we had in PSBB, a very capable lady in her own right. Please come over, ma'am. Mrs. Sushila Raghavan, Ashwin will hand over the memento to her.
Want to be grateful to all of you to have remembered me to call. I really am very touched by your gesture because I didn't teach you, but to have remembered me, I think it's a great thing. And also this made me meet old friends of mine, and As many people have said a lot of things about Ms. YGP, if I have to talk, I'll have to talk the whole day about Mrs. YGP. Because all of us, especially me, and she, when I was hesitant to take over TP Road, she said, Sushi, நீ ஹனுமான் மாதிரி உனக்கு உன்னுடைய பவரே தெரியாது நீ எடுத்துக்கோ பண்ணு அப்படின்னு. I'll never forget that encouraging word. Thank you, Ms. OGP. Thanks, and God bless all of you. You have a very great future and all the best.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I still remember the high standards that you set for PSBB school. When I joined in first standard, I was actually asked to take 2 entrance tests. Not even one. You set those very high standards even at that time. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. A very scientific teacher who created waves during all her classes and has done so today too by flying in from far away. Please come over, ma'am. CN Sriram, please do the honors.
If there's one school that I remember for all time, it's PSBB. I came to teach in PSBB because Vasanta was here just ahead of me and Mrs. YGP wanted a physics teacher. I distinctly remember she made so many adjustments for my children. She got me, a creche facility here in Balalok for my daughter and made sure that though I stayed far away in Kilpauk, I somehow managed, and I used to come at 11:20 and teach till 2:50 continuously for 5 periods. That was supposedly part-time and 22 periods a week. I still keep telling teachers where I'm working that part-time doesn't mean, just coming for 2-3 periods a day. Part-time can also be 22 periods a week. So that was how I started. And if today I'm surviving in, I think after PSBB, I was in Hyderabad, I was in Erode, I was in Bangalore in 2 different places, and now in Ahmedabad in the second school. I think the grounding has been with Mrs. YGP only. I distinctly remember on one occasion when, we had a small problem in the department, and I told her, I will prove myself. She said, yes, you have to prove yourself once again. Ma'am has probably forgotten the occasion, but I will never forget that, and I think time and again I've been proving myself, and that's how I am what I am today. Thank you so much, Mrs. YGP, and such a big thank you to all the batch of the 87 group for giving us this opportunity to meet you all and meet our colleagues as well, because I don't live in Chennai and I have no roots in Chennai anymore. So it gives me a great feeling to be back here inside this building, once again on this floor in the assembly area. So thank you so much. Wish you all, the batch of 87, all the best in life. And may you also grow taller and taller in stature with each passing day. Thank you very much.
I now call upon one of the best maths teachers that the institution has seen now. Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi. Sriram Patsadi, please hand over the memento. Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi. History, sorry, I'm very sorry. History. Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi. Thank you so much for being here, ma'am. Really appreciate it. They'll realize it at the end of this. Angir. Sudarshan.
Actually, I was taking language, Tamil and history. I don't know which section, which groups, but I taught you history and Tamil. I am very happy that by God's grace we are all here reunited, and I wish you all the best and for years to come. Thank you.
the most outspoken teacher with a unique capacity in diverse fields such as sports, civics, and moral science. This person requires a thunderous applause from all of us for his resilience and consent to attend this function here today. Mr. Williams, Varadarajan will hand over this memento to you. Please accept it, sir. And thank you so much for being here with us today.
One was Sri Guru Namaha. I'm very happy to be here. No, I thought I would not make it, but I made it. All the best.
Thank you very much, sir. We are really very